Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Listen, today we are seriously leveling up. We're hitting the workplace to master some absolutely crucial office vocabulary. And honestly, more importantly, we are finally taking on the ultimate grammar boss of the German language. Ohne Witz, no joke, what we cover today is literally a game changer for your fluency.
So you really got to ask yourself, are you ready to get that bag in a German office and face down this grammar boss? We are jumping straight into the action today. I'm giving you the exact rules, the hacks, and the vocabulary you need to thrive. So let's dive right in.
Level 1. The Office Vibe Check. Läuft bei dir?
Okay, remember our golden rule here. We absolutely must learn the gender with every single new word. Just look at your desk right now. For the masculine der words, we've got der Bildschirm for the screen, der Drucker for the printer, der Stift for the pen, and der Kalender for the calendar. Moving over to the neutral das, we have das Büro for the office itself, das Formular for the form, and das Notizbuch for your notebook. And finally, our feminine D words, die Firma for the company, die Rechnung for the bill or invoice, and die Briefmarke for the postage stamp. I mean, just look at that pure main character energy at the desk. You really need to trust the process here. Color code these vocabulary words in your notes, guys. You have to memorize these genders because you are going to need that exact same confident energy for the grammar battles we are about to face.
Level 2. Multiplying the mess. Die Pluralform.
Look, if you're feeling frustrated by plurals, I completely validate your struggle. Seriously. In English, we have it so ridiculously easy, right? You mostly just add an S and you're done. In German, das ist totaler Quatsch. Total nonsense. The wild, unpredictable nature of German plurals is a reality we just have to face head on.
So the crucial thing to remember here is that there just isn't one single rule. There are several different kind of wild endings, and you simply have to memorize them right alongside the word. Sometimes you add an S, so das Handy becomes die Handys. Easy enough. But sometimes you add an en, making die Rechnung into die Rechnungen. Other times you add an E, so der Stift becomes die Stifte. And sometimes, and honestly this is the craziest part to me, absolutely nothing changes at all. Like, der Drucker stays exactly the same in the plural, die Drucker. Krass, right? Crazy.
But wait, don't panic, because I actually have the absolute ultimate life hack for you. In the plural form, the word for the is always die. It literally does not matter what the original gender of the word was. Masculine, neutral, feminine. Once it is plural, it's always just die. That saves us so much stress.
Level 3. The boss fight.
Der Accusative.
Okay, let's define our rules of engagement here. In any sentence, the subject is the person or thing actually doing the action. The object is the thing receiving the action. In German, whenever you use common verbs like haben for to have, brauchen for to need, suchen for to look for, or finden for to find, the object that follows is officially in the accusative case. It is actively receiving the action of having, needing, seeking, or finding. And boom! Here is the major plot twist. Only the masculine gender takes a hit. It literally gets punched by the verb and morphs into a completely new word. Der transforms into den. Ein transforms into einen. And kein becomes keinen. It's so wild. The masculine gender is literally the only one weak enough to take damage from these verbs. So let's take our masculine word, der Kalender. When it's the subject, the nominative case, it's just doing its own thing. Der Kalender ist neu. The calendar is new. But when it receives the action, ich brauche einen Kalender, I need a calendar, or ich suche den Kalender, I'm looking for the calendar, or even ich finde den Kalender hässlich, I find the calendar ugly. Do you see that? It morphs. Der becomes den, ein becomes einen. Now, I know you might be panicking about the other genders right now, but listen. Neutral, das, and feminine, die absolutely do not change. They take zero damage. They just chill. Ich brauche ein Formular, I need a form, it's still ein. Ich suche die Rechnung, I am looking for the bill, still die. Only the masculine gender takes the hit. Alles klar? You are literally defeating the boss right now.
Bonus level. Spilling the T on the U, the vocal U.
Now this letter doesn't even exist in English, but it is actually so incredibly easy to master if you just know the physical mechanics. Seriously, do this with me right now. Step 1, shape your lips into a really tight, hard circle, kind of like you're gonna whistle or say ooh. Hold that shape. Step 2, keep your lips locked in that ooh shape, but actively force your vocal cords to say the letter E instead. Ooh.
Let's rapidly drill this to lock it in. Come on, use that exact lip shape for these practice words. Say them out loud with me. Das Büro, die Stühle, 5, grün, der Schlüssel. Master this sound, and I promise you will sound like a total local. Final boss, check. WRL. Okay, I am challenging you right now to apply all the tools, all the life hacks, and all the rules we literally just learned. Can you successfully translate these 3 English sentences into German, knowing everything we now know about the accusative boss?
Here are your 3 distinct translation challenges. And look, I've even left you some hints. Number 1, I need a printer. Hink, printer is masculine. So think about what the verb need actually does to a masculine word. Number 2, we are looking for the stamps. Hint, stamps is plural. Remember our awesome life hack for plural words? And number 3, I have no form. Hint, form is neutral. Think about what happens, or rather, what doesn't happen, to neutral words. You've totally got this. Drop your answers in the comments below right now so I can check your work. Thank you so much for leveling up your German with me today. But really quick before you go, think about this. If verbs can punch the masculine der into den, what do you think happens when we add a person receiving a gift into the mix? Oh yeah, the dated case is coming. Keep practicing that main character energy, subscribe so you do not miss the next battle, Max Scott, and choose.